Hi everyone, I'm Heidi Ducato. We are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am very excited, as always, to be here with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine Programs. Tell us a little bit, I take that back. Valentine's Day is coming up. So this is a perfect opportunity to maybe throw a little healthy into the typical Valentine's Day world.
Right.
Okay.
So we're going to have a little chocolate today, but we're going to have a lot of fruit with it.
Perfect.
Okay, so we're actually going to make two dips, and we're going to start with this chocolate fondue. So you can make kind of a healthier chocolate fondue. A lot of times it has cream, and so we just started actually with some vanilla almond milk. It's very low in fat, very low in calories, and so you can see that that is warming, and you want to warm the chocolate gently so that it doesn't melt too fast and get grainy. And we're just going to give that a little stir right now, and then we're going to let it just do its thing over here while we make the other.
So you're not necessarily losing the chocolate.
Not at all.
You're just kind of substituting with the milk versus the cream that you had mentioned before.
Yes, actually I think I'm going to keep stirring this so that it's a really nice smooth fondue.
And does it matter which milk?
So we're using the silk almond milk right now, but we do love oat milk. I would probably not try this with a dairy milk because I'm afraid it would actually separate.
Okay.
Okay.
Good to know.
So we're going to actually make a yogurt dip now, and it's specifically for fruit. You wouldn't want to put this on your carrots. And it's going to, so we've used just a regular Greek yogurt, but you could use coconut or almond or some of the soy yogurts that are out on the market. A couple of tablespoons of honey. Okay. Actually, a couple of teaspoons of honey.
That's always the fun part, to get it in there.
That's right.
And that's a good point too. Being Valentine's Day, say it's a family, they'd rather do something at home. Is this something kids can get involved with, help with?
Absolutely. This is a recipe that is so easy that if you have a 8, 9, 10-year-old, you could set the ingredients out and say, it's your turn to cook tonight, and just let them go for it. This is just really, really easy. So we're going with a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of honey, a little dash of cinnamon, and this is going to get all stirred together.
Just looks and smells good.
It does, and it's just refreshing. And again, it really is just the medium for eating lots more fruit. So if we're looking to eat, more fruits and vegetables, fill your plate at least half with fruits and vegetables, this is definitely helping with that.
Right, and it's a great way to, you can have some fun. It's a holiday. You can have your chocolate, but this is a way to just incorporate that fruit side that we maybe neglect on a holiday like this.
All right, so this is melting very nicely. If you want to go ahead, do you want to taste that fruit dip while I
will. Yeah, don't have to ask me twice. I will totally taste it. Grab my raspberry. Oh my God, that's so good. Now, here's my problem. I will eat the whole thing. So, is there any issue regarding serving size that people need to be aware of?
Yeah, so whenever you are having your chocolate dip or having your yogurt dip with fruit, make sure that you are having a lot more fruit than dip, right? Okay, and so we have a 1/4 cup measure that's right here.
I'll hold that up.
And especially for the chocolate, that is going to be one of the keys to not overeating on the sugar and fat, is to keep that serving size right at a 1/4 cup. Okay,
so this is a good visual, especially for me, I know, because you kind of in your mind have an idea of what that is, but this would probably be bigger in my world. So this is a good visual of this is a serving size. So you can have the fun, you can enjoy the treats, but just keep it reasonable.
Right, and so if you were going to serve this, you might have individual servings so that you could do that 1/4 cup. Oh, we got a little plop of chocolate in the Greek yogurt there. That's right. And so you might want to try that with a strawberry
I will totally try that.
Okay.
And anything for chocolate strawberries, you've sold me right here.
It's decadent. I mean, you don't even have to worry.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
I mean, it's the real deal. I mean, I know our goal is to show the healthier alternatives, but you would not even know. You wouldn't know the difference at all. So, thank you. Those are so good. If you want to learn more about the recipes or resources with Shape Your Future, go to kjrh.com.